Okay, this is it. I've just sold the car that I've had for exactly the last 5 years. Pretty much the only car I've ever had. The memories I have in that car are second to none. The car was bought in February 2005 for £1,500. I've driven everywhere in it. Bournemouth, the beach trips, Wales, Birmingham, Southampton, Northampton, everywhere. I've just sold it to a black geezer with a very neat beard and strange looking shapes on his head, and his little mechanic man. They just winched it onto the back of this truck, and I've just sold the vehicle for £80 English. I needed it off the drive. It needs to be repaired. It's got no MOT or tax. I didn't see the point in it sitting in the drive any longer. I'm not going to pay for it to be repaired. Put it on Gumtree on Friday for £150. Honestly didn't think I was going to get any interest at all. Had a phone call. Thought a guy was going to come pick it up. He didn't. Had a phone call today. They knocked me down from 100 to 80, which at first I was very reluctant, but in the end I thought it's better than nothing, and it deserves to go to a new home as opposed to being scrapped for nothing. So I hope. Oh, there's my sister. She's just pulled up. She also has a Renault Clio, but it's a later model. Here she comes back from her swim, and the little man in the truck is still trying to secure my lovely car. As you can see to the right of that truck is my new car, Peugeot 306 Turbo Diesel. It's been lowered by chavs with a roof rack. How unlikely. So here they go, about to drive away. They do seem like friendly chaps, so I don't wish anything bad upon them. I hope they don't come back and trash my new car because they find out it costs £1,000 to repair. But I've been fairly honest with them, so it should just be a case of fixing the steering arm and getting it through the MOT, and he should have a good car in his hands. He's had enough work done on it, so it's been a good runner for me. Hopefully it'll do him well. As I say, I really hope they know where I live, so I really hope they don't come back and steal my guitar or trash the house, trash my car, something like that, or maybe just kill me. I don't want them to kill me. They seem very friendly. I don't know whether they know I'm filming them. I might just take a step back just so they don't know. Still haven't moved anywhere. Please don't change your mind. I really hope this money I have in my pocket is real. I've got a £50 note, which I never have. The watermark looks genuine. £20 and a 10. £80. £80. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Now still, what are they doing? What are they doing? Are they chatting? Are they going to take it back? We can't take it back now. Sold as seen, mate. Sold as seen, so... Come on. Drive away. Drive away. See, what's cool is I can watch them on my phone, but they can't see me at the window. What I hope is that they don't know I'm filming them. They might have seen my phone at the window, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to chuck this and knock the phone down so they can't see me. I'm a bit scared now. Okay. They've probably seen that, but they've not seen me. I'll slide my hand along, low, so they can't see my body. Okay. And then, right, I'm on the floor. I'm on the floor. I'm below eye height. Below the window now. I'm crawling, so they can't see me. Hopefully they don't realise I was filming them. They're very big black men. Okay, they're going. Can you hear that? Gosh, they've got them. There's my car. You see it through there, the blue. Showing in the distance. Come on. Okay. You should see them. Going out the top there. Up the lane. It should come out at the top, up the lane there. I'll zoom. They're going over the bumps. I've given them directions to get home. Right. There they are. There we are, there's my car. Look at that! He's taking it away! I'm never going to see that car again! 5 years, see you later, 80 quid, good riddance. I don't want to take a bath.